So class, our new topic is types of angle. We already discussed about acute angle. We all know acute angle is always between 0 to 90 degree. What about 90 degree class? 90 degree means if your upper line moves like this, then this is your 90 degree angle. Understand class? So from here to here, in between all the angles like this angle, this angle, this, all the angle between 0 to 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 to 90, all are acute angles. And this angle, 90 degree angle, is called right angle. Understand class? So now obtuse angle is greater than 90 and less than 180. So before I explain you this, you have to understand class, your 0 degrees here, 90 degrees here, and you are moving in this direction. So your 180 degrees here. After that, this is your 270 degree and this is also 360 degree class. It's very important to understand. You are moving in this direction class, 0 to 90, 180, 270 and 360. Why class? Because all are 90 degree angle. So from here to here there is a 90 degree. From here to here 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180. From here to here, so 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270, and 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, it's a circle class which is equal to 360 degree. So in this time we are talking about greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So it means greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. It means this place class. So this is your line class and this is your 90 degree. And now if you are moving in this direction, so between this, all the angles are your obtuse angle, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 till 180. All are obtuse angle. So these all are your obtuse angle. It means 100 degree, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 till 180. All are obtuse angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. So class, 180 degree means if I am talking about this, so this is moving and it is moving 90 degree first and after that it is moving 180 degree. So it lie above this line again, but class, it is moving 180 degree angle. So with the help of this symbol we can easily understand this is 180 degree. The meaning is this line which is above this line, it is moving from here to here. So whenever you will see this symbol, the meaning is 180 degree. Now class, next angle is reflex angle. The angle which are greater than 180 but less than 360. Now class, you all understand this is your basic line. This is your 180 degree and then angle which are more than this. So class, suppose this is your 90 degree, this is your 180 degree. So class, if I am talking about more than 180 degree, what is the meaning of that? The angle between 180 to 360, all the angles less than 360 degree. So all the angles between 180 to 360 are called reflex angle. It means class, if I am talking about this is my basic line, so this is 180 degree and if I am moving from here to here, 190, 200, 210, 230, 240, 260, 290, 320 and at last 360. So all the angle class. So all the angles which are moving class. So this is moving class. So all the angles between here to here, all are reflex angle. When your object move from here to here to it reach here, so from 0 degree to 360 degree. When it create the whole circle, then we can say it's 360 degree angle or we can say whole angle. And how we show this? With the help of circle, we can show 360 degree. It means it covers 180 degree and again here also it covers 180 degree. So this is your whole angle. So in this time class, you can see your right angle, 90 degree, 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Here also you can see this is a 90-degree angle. If I am talking about obtuse angle class, what is the meaning of obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is more than 90-degree and less than 180-degree. So class, here you can see this is like this. So it is more than, your 90-degree is like this. So it is more than 90-degree and less than 180-degree. And class, if I am talking about this, you can see, so this is your 90 degrees here. So this is your 90-degree and it is more than this. So it is obtuse angle. Again class, you can see if your 90 degrees here, so it is more than 90-degree. If I am talking about this is your 90-degree, it is more than this, so it is obtuse angle. Your new topic is measurement of angles. So class, with the help of this protractor, we can measure the degrees. So you can see class, this is a whole circle is here. So it means it contains 360 degree. 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 class. So you can see this is your basic line and this is your 90-degree. So class, this is a protractor and you can count the lower part of digits. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So you can see your pencil is moving like this. Then 100, 10, 120, 130, 180. After that class, 0 to 90, all angles are acute angle. 90 to 180, you can see this is 180, obtuse angle. And after that 190 to 360, all are reflex angle. And this whole circle is called whole angle. And this 180 degree is called straight angle, because there is a straight line between 0 to 180 degree. From here to here there is a straight line. So how we measure any angle class? For that we have to make a line like this. And class, you can see there is a intersection. So there is a point. So this is always, this is your point O. So I put this in this point. So class, meet this point and this point. So now you can create 10, 20, 30, any angle class. So suppose I'm talking about 40 degrees. So 40 degree means this is your line for 40 degrees. So I make a line here. So class, if you match these two, then this angle is called 40 degree. So this is your 40 degree angle. And class, suppose I'm talking about 150 degree angle. Then this is your point. So class, match this point to this point. So class, this is your point. So this whole is your 150 degree. So this is how you measure the angles. We are talking about reflex angles. Suppose I am talking about 240 degree. So this is your point. So you have to meet this line to this line. So where is 240 class? It's very important. You are moving from this point 0 to 90 first, then 180, and then you are moving to 240. It means class, this is not your 240 degree. This upper part is your 240 degree. So what do you understand by this? When we are calculating more than 180 degree angles, at that time we are using the outer part. Understand class? If I am talking about 250 or 260, suppose this is any angle. Suppose this angle is 260 degree. So we are calculating the outer part, not inner part class. We are calculating outer part to calculate 260, because you can see 260, 300, 320, 360. So it is moving in this direction class. So all the time your reflex angle should be calculated or counted in from the outer part. Now class, we can measure the angles. So class, this is between 40 and 50. So between 40 and 50 there is a line which is 45 degree class. 45 degree. You all know this is your 90 degree. Your line is in this direction class. So approximately it is 100, 110, 120 or maybe 125 class. This line is in this line. So 125 degree. This is 180 degree. You all know. If I am talking about this class, you all know this. So first we will put here, and then this line goes directly here class, so it's 320 degree class, it's 320 degree. And if I'm talking about this class, then it is whole circle. The whole circle means 360 degree.